Courtney Conley, one of the instructional technology coaches for Utica Community Schools. Today, I'm going to show you how students will be accessing their eSpark learning platform this year. In the past, we were using this ClassLink button, and students were logging in using their ClassLink QR code, and it was populating through our ClassLink single sign-on. However, that is changing this year. Instead of utilizing ClassLink, students will be receiving a QR code from their classroom teacher. To access your eSpark QR codes for your student, you are going to click on eSpark Teacher. And you can hover over to the far right and click on your arrow. Go to Class Roster. And then once you get to Class Roster, you can go to Class Options and Print Login Cards. This will give you your student login account plus their QR code. You can go ahead and print login cards and select your printer of choice. Once students obtain their eSpark QR code, students will just click on the camera button, locate their QR code. Now, once they locate the QR code, there is a little eSpark button at the bottom of the screen in yellow. They're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to sign them into their eSpark platform. They can go ahead and click on whichever path they are doing.
Welcome to your quest about upper and lowercase letters. Are you ready to learn with me?
Now, if a student realizes they went into the wrong quest or the wrong platform, they can go ahead and click on the X next to their name, and then they can go change their subject.
Hello. Let's start your quest about counting.
Now, just keep in mind that students can click on that X again and log out if they so choose. If they log out right here, though, and this screen comes up, please note that students will not be able to click on this iOS device to take their picture. They will actually have to physically type it in. Our advice to you is to just have students swipe out of that, click on the camera, and their QR code again. Also keep in mind that because this is on Safari, students will probably end up having multiple tabs open. Our advice there is just to go ahead and click out of those. You'll also notice that if they're logged in multiple times up here for eSpark, it'll take them to the same page. Additionally, students will also have an eSpark app located on their device. However, when you click on it, same thing as before, this QR code app scanner does not work. Students would have to manually log in with their username and password, or again, swipe up and take a picture with their QR code. That's a great spot in case they lose their QR code. The teacher can just click right into the eSpark app and log the student in, and it will take them directly to their path. We hope this video helps you and your students get into eSpark effectively. And if you have any questions, you can always email us at itcgeeksupport@uticak12.org.